Hi everyone here. This is called in my language as nong kruok. I don't know what to call in English, but this one we call nong kruok. It's usually served with fish sauce. So the kind of sauce made from fish sauce mixed with some ingredients. So, and it usually eaten like that. So, but this one we call manchang. Manchang is usually made from flour. That we can see this yellow color is mixed with romit. In my language, we call a romit. So this one is a kind of root with this color and mixed with the flour and putting some meat, some bean sprouts, and also sometimes it's pork or chicken. So, and then will be served with fish sauce too, mixed with vegetables. Like that one. They are eating with those vegetables on the table that you can see. So thank you everyone for watching.